Well, there's the royal blue. I've refitted it. Smoke's a little low, but we could tune that easy enough. Got the chuff triggers working, the puff and chuff. I'm running off of digital controlling. I'm running off of my DC power supply. Got a lot of gear noise. I got to work on that. I know what it is. Did you bring this? It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Got some leaks. That's not the right lid. That's actually a junk lid. This is our better lid. I thought about switching them, but I didn't. It's the same housing, but this is a early version of the lid. This is a later version of the lid, and the final lid is at the shop getting made for us. So we'll get there. But as you can see here, I could put easily, if I have the, this is the Smart Smoke, I could easily mount that, you know, out here on some tape. Then I could put the smaller of the puffer boards right here, and then I could put the puff soundboard back here. So all those digital things are on the engine, and all the wiring is like, you know, inches, not you know, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. I know, but hey, you know, it's working. It takes me a while when I move it because I disconnect something, and then I got to find out what the hell did I do. The smoke is working pretty good. The sound is working pretty good. And I've got my DC converted DC motor, DC flyer motor. I'm going to try to build a third engine, a third prototype or test chassis mule, if you will, and have Atlantic and Pacific and a flyer DC. I might even do a flyer AC just to show you it can be done. Now what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put sounds on that board. It's 4:30. Don't even have an hour, so I have 45 minutes. So I can put some sounds on the board. Change direction. Flip the switch. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Okay, well, we're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting closer. We're getting real close. Yeah, in fact, I have this. This is the motor for the anniversary engine. I could bring him in to bear as well. But right now, I was focusing on the big mama, the royal blue. But I want to get this painted. I found a guy that might be able to paint it for me. And all I have is this silver bullet tender, and I'm going to see if he can bring it back to life. I mean, yeah, you can sand it and all that, but there are some details on here, some rivets on the end and all. I didn't want to lose them. Anyway, I've got the chassis. Just needed wheels. I got the wheels. Came in yesterday, so I got enough axles and wheels to finish this chassis for all-wheel pickup. And this is one of my earlier tender frames for mounting electronics. But as you, oh, look at this. We're still smoking. What's going on here? That's amazing. You know what it is? It's at the station and the engine is stopped, but I still have my 5 volts coming in, and so the heater and the fan are still working. Oh my goodness. Isn't that something? Well, shut that off and then you'll see. Boop. There you go. That would have shut off. But that's a great example of sitting at the station where it's just slowly steaming up. If you can see that, I try to get some dark background. There you go. So it's just slowly steaming out, like waiting to go at the ready. I think that's pretty awesome. Okay, gang, I'll send this out so you'll see a Pacific rat's nest. I don't know how this happens. It seems like, oh, I'm going to lay everything out. It's going to be beautiful. Never happens. I don't know what happens. Okay, later, gang.